Ever wondered how top-tier creators are generating jaw-dropping videos from just a single image or a few lines of text? Meet Hailuo AI, the next-generation creative powerhouse that's reshaping how content is made. Whether it's movies, ads, or viral shorts, this tool is changing the game with ultra-realistic motion and mind-blowing detail. Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Friend, your go-to channel for the best AI tools and tutorials. In today's video, we're diving deep into Hailuo AI and exploring everything from its subject reference model to text to video, image to video, and even real-world applications like commercials and film production. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest in AI creativity. Let's dive into the first and most exciting feature, the Hailuo AI Subject Reference Model. This powerful tool allows you to turn a single facial photo into a fully animated character that acts out your scene based on your text prompt. Pretty cool, right? Here's how it works. Hailuo AI analyzes the facial features of the person in your uploaded photo, then creates a character with those same traits, and brings them to life inside a video generated from your description. To get started, just follow these steps. Select the Subject Reference Model, or S2V. Click Add Reference Character. Upload a facial photo, enter your video prompt, click Create, and wait. In a few moments, your video will be ready, starring your custom character brought to life by AI. To get the best possible results, your reference photo needs to follow some simple but important rules. One clear face only, no group shots. Minimum resolution, 120 by 120 pixels or higher. Maximum file size, 20 megabytes. No obstructions, avoid glasses, hands, or anything covering the face. No excessive filters or blur, keep it natural and sharp. Proper lighting. Natural lighting works best. Avoid deep shadows or overexposure. Correct angle. Face the camera directly or be slightly turned. Profiles and extreme angles won't work well. Hailuo AI does a great job recognizing facial features across all ages, genders, and ethnicities, as long as the photo is clear and meets these guidelines. Now, let's talk about the video prompt. This is the text that tells Hailuo what you want your character to do or where to place them. If you're using multiple subjects in your prompt, you can guide Hailuo by including extra details like age and gender. For example, a black-haired man wearing a suit sits at a European-style dining table, or an elderly man in a shirt is holding a young girl in a red dress. This helps the AI match the right face to the right action. And that's it for the subject reference model. It's a simple yet powerful way to generate highly personalized cinematic videos in minutes. Now that we've covered the subject reference model, let's move on to one of the most powerful features of Hailuo AI, text-to-video generation. This is where your creativity really shines. With just a few well-crafted words, you can generate visually stunning video scenes, from rooftops at night to fantasy realms or even cinematic character moments. In the world of AI, everything starts with a prompt. It's your creative command, the blueprint that tells Hailuo what you want to see. Whether you're a total beginner or an AI pro, mastering prompts is the key to unlocking Hailuo AI's full potential. And the best part? It's easier than you think. Hailuo gives you 2 easy formulas to build powerful prompts, depending on how detailed you want your results to be. 1. Basic Prompt Formula. The basic prompt formula is great for quick ideas and experimentation. Just include your main subject, the scene, and some motion. This formula is perfect if you're exploring concepts or letting Hailuo inspire you with visual options. 2. Precise Prompt Formula. Looking for something more cinematic? That's where the Precise Prompt Formula comes in. Just add camera movement and aesthetic atmosphere to your prompt for pro-level visuals. With the right level of detail, you're no longer just generating video, you're directing it. Here's an examples for basic versus precise prompt. 1. Basic prompt. A man on the rooftop of a tall building at night looks down at the city. 2. Precise prompt. Under the deep blue night sky, the neon lights of the city are reflected in puddles of freshly rained water on the rooftops of tall buildings. The camera slowly rises from the reflection in the water through the rain to reveal a black figure standing on the edge of a rooftop. Here are a few expert tips to help you level up your prompts. 1. Be specific. The clearer your words, the more accurate the results. 2. Be descriptive. Add texture, tone, motion, even emotion. 3. Limit shot duration. Keep complex camera movements under 6 seconds to avoid generation errors. 4. Detail the lens behavior. For example, instead of lens moves down, try the camera descends slowly, then wraps around to the right as it lowers. 5. Add frame-by-frame changes, like the shot starts at the giraffe's feet, rises slowly up to its face, ending with a close-up of its expression. Even changing the tone from realistic to dreamy or noir can give you a completely different look. It's all about how you describe it. And that's the magic of text-to-video with Hailuo AI. You don't need a whole crew or studio, just your imagination and a few powerful words. Now, let's dive into one of Hailuo AI's most visually stunning tools, image-to-video generation, or I2V. This is where static images come to life. Hailuo AI uses your input image as the first frame of a video, recognizing the subject, setting, and even the visual style, then animates the scene based on your prompt. If you're just getting started, the basic prompt formula is the perfect place. Because the image already carries a lot of visual information, your prompt only needs to describe what's supposed to happen next. Let's look at 2 amazing cases that show how this works. A small dog emits a blue light from its eyes. The messy clothes in front of the dog also begin to glow blue and slowly float into the air, folding neatly on their own before landing in front of the dog. Afterward, the blue light in the dog's eyes fades away. A blue furry creature in the scene is constantly stirring a steaming pot of soup. Then, the blue creature blows on the pot, causing the soup in the bowl in front of it to freeze into a block of ice. Each prompt is simple, yet powerful. The magic starts with your image, and the rest is just guiding the animation. But if you're going for a cinematic, stylized, or emotionally charged result, then you'll want to step up to the precise prompt formula. By adding camera direction and atmospheric details, you get far more control over how the scene unfolds. Let's look at another 2 amazing cases that show how this works. A cat in the scene runs quickly toward the camera, with white electric sparks emanating from its eyes. Its entire body becomes surrounded by electricity as it runs faster and faster. The scenery on both sides rushes backward rapidly, creating motion blur that transforms into a glowing white time tunnel. The camera pulls back as a man runs toward it. Shadows of figures rapidly close in from behind, growing larger and larger. As one shadow draws near, it reveals a humanoid creature with a goat-like face, its features illuminated by a yellowish light. The color tone of the scene shifts to an eerie palette, creating a chilling and terrifying atmosphere. It's all in the details. Describe how the subject moves, how the camera reacts, and what kind of vibe you want. Whether it's electric energy or psychological horror, Hailuo AI delivers. With image to video, you're not just animating an image, you're expanding it into an entire scene. And with Hailuo AI, you're doing it like a pro. Let's dive into camera movements. In both text to video and image to video modes, you can easily add dynamic camera movement. Just click on the camera icon to open the camera control tab. There, you'll find a variety of cinematic movement options, like right circling, upward tilt, downward tilt, scenic shot, and more. These add depth and realism to your video scenes with just a few clicks. Now that you've seen how Hailuo AI works, let's talk about what sets it apart from the rest. One of Hailuo AI's standout features is its ability to generate vivid, natural facial expressions. Whether your prompt calls for joy, sorrow, surprise, or a subtle smirk, Hailuo captures it with cinematic precision. Looking to add some Hollywood-style drama? Hailuo AI makes it easy to generate cinematic quality explosion effects. No special effects team needed. Creativity knows no limits with Hailuo AI. Thanks to its strong concept combination engine, you can mix and match materials, styles, and characters in virtually any way. Whether you're going for emotional depth, explosive action, or wild visual mashups, Hailuo AI gives you total creative control. Hailuo AI is more than just a video generator. It's a creative engine that brings your imagination to life. From eye-catching commercials to cinematic short films, Hailuo AI is redefining how stories are told. With powerful tools for character animation, visual effects, and seamless transitions, your next production can be fully AI-powered. And that's a wrap on Hailuo AI. If you found this deep dive helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a moment of AI magic. Stay tuned. There's a whole world of innovation coming your way, right here on AI Friend.